What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you guys how to get the Wyze app for your Amazon devices. So what you're going to first need to do is make sure you have the Amazon Alexa app. And once you download that, you're going to go over to Skills, Games and Skills, and then you're going to type in Wyze. It should already be in there. It should pop up Wyze app. And once you see it, you want to select on it. Then you're just going to enable that skill. So after you enable that skill, you're going to take a look up right down here where it says try saying. So you're going to go ahead and say, Alexa, discover my devices. Discover my devices.
Starting discovery. This will take 45 seconds. To connect your lights or plugs, just turn them on now. For sensors, power them on by removing the battery strip. For locks and other products, refer to the manufacturer's instructions to put them in pairing mode. I couldn't find any new smart home devices. You can try again, or, if you need help connecting, tap Help in the Smart Home section of the Alexa app.
Alright, so my cam is actually already linked with this Amazon device, so whatever you named your device, you can just ask your Amazon device to open it up. So, Alexa, show me Anytime USA.
Okay.
So that's what I named my Wyze. So, like I said, it was already in the system, and that's the only smart device I have for now. And
Like I said, it was already in the system, and that's the only smart device I have for now.
So you see, it's a delay on it. Could be my internet connection. Maybe I need to reboot my router, but you might experience different connection. But right now, mine has a big delay on it. But as you can see, that's me holding the camera right there, which is kind of weird because it's a big delay and mine's keep buffering. But what would you be able to use this for? If your camera was in another part of your house, or you had it propped up at a back door or in your kids' room, you know, you'll be able to see what's going on in your kids' room. But the setup was fairly easy and pretty simple, you know. As long as you got your login information from the Wyze, you should be good to go. So what we're gonna do now is go back to the my phone screen, and see what the reviews are saying. Alright, so folks, when you want to access an app that you are, or skill you already have, you see at the bottom of the screen in the far right hand, where you see like some equalizer type knobs around the house. Just select on that. I believe that's the smart home section or the device section. So you go to your smart home skills, and every smart home app you have should be in that section. So what I want to do is I want to take a look at some of the reviews, because a lot of skills on the Amazon, this platform right here, Amazon Alexa platform, they get bad reviews. So let's see what they're saying. So let's go home. So you can see there's some sayings you can use. So let's see if we can get to the reviews. Sorry, cameras don't work on this device, but I just saw my cam on the Wyze app. Fudge you, Alexa. This is my main reason for choosing Wyze. So as we've seen that it does work, you just have to make sure you have a pretty decent internet connection. Now, I have the 100 or 200 megabyte, 100 megabyte package with Charter. My modem is pulling 50 megabytes per second, but when it gets to my router, it's only pulling 10 to 15. So I know I got a jacked up router. I bought the cheapest router I could from Walmart. But I'm able to stream on multiple devices at once using it. So it does the job for now. But this person saying it doesn't work. It could be internet issue. It could be maybe just go through the setup process again. Disable the skill. Relink the account. Disconnect the camera. Unplug it. Replug it in. And just go through the steps again. And hopefully that'll get it to work. So our next one says, my Amazon Cloud Cam, but the Wyze Cam that came with my show is not the best quality. Would not buy more. I'm not familiar with the Amazon Cloud Cam, but I believe that one costs way more than the Wyze Cam. So yeah, I can agree with that. But from what I'm seeing from the Wyze Cam, the picture quality is great. The night vision actually works. So this see if we can go to some more reviews. See why people giving them a 1 star. Still waiting for Fire Stick TV support. So have been waiting for at least 3 months now for this to work with the Fire Stick TV. Now that's something I'm gonna look into. So I'm guessing they mean that she cannot record. Go ahead and check out. Alexa, record anytime.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Yeah, I can't imagine that there's any way that Alexa can get footage from, because the Wyze Cam, if you set your motion and sound sensors, it's going to automatically record like a 5-second clip of what happened during that what created that detection. So I guess you have to figure out or go into the settings and see, but I'm pretty sure it's not a way that she can play your recordings. But I'm gonna look into that and get back with you guys. So this one says more like Alexa enabled. So this one says if you're going to call something so-and-so enabled, you should at the bare minimum be able to turn it on and off with your voice. Like most, you have said the camera itself is great, but you can't forget about running it in routine via scenes or device control. I was going to buy more, but if viewing a 10-minute stream is all the skill can offer, I'd rather spend more and get something to actually. Okay. So I guess if you actually use your Echo Show or your Amazon device as like a TV and want to view clips, I guess if you just want to sit down in front of it and watch it, that'll be a valid reason. But I won't see any reason why that should be 1 star. Because the security camera, you really just want to watch it when something happens. So when something happens, I mean, you got your cell phone to watch it on. So no Fire Stick support. Highly recommended Wyze Cam, but the skill will not show my first generation Fire TV nor on my Fire Stick. That just says, the camera is not responding. Maybe folks with the latest Fire Stick. Okay. So that's something I'm gonna look into. So there's no pan out in skill, I guess for different models. To be fair, I would not have wild expectations that this is my first game. The camera only costs $30, and I feel like definitely getting what I pay for. It's hilarious to the two-way audio I connected to my Fire Stick. I just followed the steps on Amazon. I see a live view. Okay, so this person got it. They gave it 5 stars, of course. So some of these reviews could be user error. People not just not tech savvy. A lot of us have certain things that we just interested in and not interested in. Me, for example, I love technology. I like getting down into it. I like to know what's going on the inside. I like to know what makes it work, why it's not working, if it doesn't work. And well, some things I don't like is, you know, I wouldn't want to get into knitting or crocheting, something like that. I would be completely uninterested in anything like that. So I can understand why some people are frustrated, but I wouldn't give it a 1 star. Some of these stars, I believe, are user error. Could be the device itself is malfunctioning, but most of the time it's user error. When I work for Dish Network, we go out on trouble calls. Probably like 85% of it was, if it wasn't an equipment failure, say 85% of trouble calls was like user error, person hitting the wrong button or something like that. So that's it, folks. We're gonna end it right there. If you have the Wyze Cam and you having issues with it, let us know in the comment section below. Also, remember to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy the content. If there's anything else you want to know about the Wyze Cam, holla at me. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get it to work on the Fire Stick, and then I'm gonna maybe check it out on my Android box. Then I might check it out on the Roku. Got a Roku Ultra. So that's it, folks. Talk to you guys next time.